Hello everyone. Take a pencil and then draw different types of 8s. Make them in different sizes as such. Out of the first 8, make a little teddy bear out of it. Now moving on to the second one, make a worm out of it as such, add multiple circles behind it. Now for the third one, add a 2 underneath it and then make it into a little rat. As for the fourth, make it into a dragonfly as such, make an elongated body for the same. Now for the fifth, begin to make a bee out of it, don't forget to add the sting, and then finally, make a little fish out of the last one. Add a little tail to it as well. Now we'll be drawing a panda. Start off by drawing the somewhat triangular shape. After this, draw the rest of the body as well. Then proceed to draw the ears, the fluffy little arms, and don't forget to draw the legs. Begin to color it in using a black marker as such. Then color in the arms and the legs as well, add a cute little puffy tail to it. Color the center in different colors as such and then add water all around it. Make it look like it has just had its bath. Finally, shade it a little bit in blue as well. Next, start off by drawing the curly hair of a girl. Start off by drawing the bangs. Then draw the eyes, add 3 circles within the eyes and color all around it except for the 3 circles to make it look like the eyes are glistening. Then add the eyelashes. Add a large bow on top of the girl's head and then draw the puffy little hair as such. Draw the rest of the body, draw a skirt and then add a little waistband as well. Add multiple layers to the skirt and then add arms as well. Then add the socks, add layers to the socks, add little bows and then draw on the shoes. Once you are done with this, add lines onto the hair to make it look all the more realistic. Next we'll be drawing some flowers. Start off by drawing the petals and then once you have come all around, add the center to it by connecting these. Add the center and then draw the stem. Add the base of the stem first and then connect the rest of it together. Right beside this flower, add multiple buds to it and then add elongated leaves as such. Do the same for the bottom and the sides as well. Then once you are done with this, add a little connecting feature to the bottom. Add buds on either side of it. Now add lines to your flower to make it look all the more realistic. Now in order to make your bird, start off by drawing the wings. Add the multiple lines to the wings and the multiple layers and then draw the head. Add the rest of the body of the bird. Do the same on the other side as well. Draw the wings and connect it to the second wing to make it realistic. Then after that, draw the beak, draw the eyes and then make it look like it is carrying a twig. Next, start off by drawing this elephant. For this, start off by drawing a semi-ovular structure, then underneath it, draw 2 upside down facing U's. Then use one of the sides as the trumpet and then draw the eyes and the back, color it in. Thank you for watching.